Are you looking for the top 5 best tankless water heaters? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best tankless water heaters on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Instant Electric Water Heater 240V 6.5 kW Tankless Water Heater. Applied with 6.5 kilowatts heating system, the Instant Water Heater Electric IYQLM supplies instant, sufficient, and endless hot water of 110 degrees Fahrenheit or higher temp in seconds. No waiting for preheating nor terrible temp fluctuation. This electric water heater is very simple, small size, lightweight, and easy to install, perfect companion for sink faucet. The electric water heater adopts frequency conversion design, which automatically adjusts the power input according to the flow and temperature settings. When the water flow is reduced, the system will consume the least electricity, effectively reducing energy waste. No preheating is required to avoid heat loss during long-term preheating. Save both energy and time. Tankless water heater adopts a safe, beautiful, durable, intelligent, ultra-thin, and smooth appearance design, which is beautiful and elegant with simple and direct LCD digital display, intelligent self-inspection, and automatic inspection of working status and performance to ensure safety, giving you the perfect experience of comfort and relaxation. The Instant Hot Water Heater has a memory function or an automatic alarm function when the power supply position and failure occur. IPX24 waterproof, leakage protection, dry burning protection, automatic power off in over temperature and inactive states, setting withstand 1500 V insulation protection. Intelligent memory function, avoid repeated operation, setting inside or outside electric leakage proof valve, double protection to make secure. Number 2. Rheem 6.5 kilowatts 240V point of use thermostatic tankless electric water. The Rheem 6.5 kilowatts 240V point of use thermostatic tankless electric water heater delivers instant, reliable hot water right where you need it. Designed for small sinks, hand washing station, and remote locations, this compact unit fits easily under cabinets or counters without taking up valuable space. Its advanced thermostatic control ensures consistent water temperature, automatically adjusting power to maintain comfort and reduce energy waste. With a 6.5 kilowatts heating capacity, it provides efficient on-demand performance while helping lower utility costs compared to traditional tank systems. Installation is straightforward with standard 240V wiring, and durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Ideal for homes, offices, shops, or RVs, this point-of-use heater eliminates waiting for hot water and improves overall system efficiency. Whether you're upgrading a bathroom sink or adding hot water to a new space, the Rheem 6.5 kilowatts tankless model offers a smart, space-saving, and energy-conscious solution. Number 3. Electric Tankless Water Heater. The M1-65B is compact design for point of use. In the meanwhile, it is able to provide sufficient and luxury endless hot water with its powerful 6.5 kilowatts heating system. It is a great idea to install this kind of tankless water heater electric a few FT away from the faucet or other feature to get instant and sufficient hot water of 110 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. The on-demand electric water heater is newly updated and applied with multiple protection devices, such as leakage protection, overheating protection, and auto stop. Every piece of M1-65B goes through strict tests, and it is listed by ETL and qualifies for UL. Totally suitable for household, school, hospital, office, bar, and other public facility. The sleek electric tankless water heater M1-65B is compact as an oatmeal box, making it possible to install anywhere point of use to avoid energy and water waste. It comes with standard plumbing connections, 1/2 inch NPT, and pigtail cord for easy installation with basic DIY skills. Number 4. Portable Tankless Water Heater. Maximum power output 41,000 BTU/HR. The temperature raised is 109.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. At highest point in 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, is at its lowest point of 1.58 GPM. Also, 1.58 gallons of hot water can be produced per minute at the flow rate of 1.58 GPM. Low water pressure startup Just need 3.6 psi of water pressure to start. Runs on a standard 20 pounds. Liquid propane tank and is equipped with an electronic ignition powered by 2 D-cell batteries. Can be used in a variety of scenarios. While you're camping, RVing, hunting, hanging poolside, washing your pets or horses, cleaning your vehicle, or even in your tiny home, greenhouse, or cabin house. With CSA certification, safe as per Canadian and U.S. standard. Features overheating protection, low water flow protection, dry combustion protection, anti-freezing protection, high water pressure protection, and flame failure device. To avoid gas leakage caused by improper sealing of the water heater, do not twine Teflon tape between gas regulator and gas inlet pipe. Always check gas leakage before operation. Number 5. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater delivers efficient, on-demand hot water using advanced 13 kilowatt self-modulating technology that adjusts energy usage based on your actual water needs. Designed for small to medium applications, it provides continuous flow of hot water for bathrooms, kitchens, or utility sinks without the standby heat loss of traditional tanks. Operating at 240 volts, the ECO11 can produce between 1.3 to 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet temperature, making it ideal for warm climates or point-of-view setups. Its compact, wall-mounted design frees up valuable space while reducing energy consumption by up to 60%. Digital temperature control lets you select your preferred output down to 1 degree increments for precise comfort. With durable construction and reliable performance, the EcoSmart ECO11 is a smart solution for homeowners seeking lower energy bills, endless hot water, and a modern, space-saving upgrade.